This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to add Google Maps in WordPress. Here's how to do so. So inside of Google Maps, I've navigated to the Gateway Arch in St. Louis, Missouri. So this is the place that I want to add to my WordPress homepage. Okay, so what you want to do is you select a location in Google Maps. In this case, it will be the Gateway Arch. And then you click the Share button. And inside of Share, select Embed a Map. And then click Copy HTML. Now that I've copied the HTML, to prove that it's on my clipboard, you can see that this is the stuff that's been copied. So now what you want to do is you go over to the WordPress site, and for this example, I will be putting the map on the home page. So you can click Edit. So editing the home page, what you want to do is to go inside of the editor, and instead of selecting Visual Editor, which is this type of editor, you want to select the Code Editor. Code Editor allows you to add HTML, and the code that you just copied from Google is HTML code. So you paste it. It starts with an iframe and ends with an iframe. That's how you know that you're doing the correct thing. So now you just want to preview to make sure the map works. And indeed, the map appears on the home screen. So this is just a preview. So to make the changes permanent, you want to click Update. And that permanently updates your homepage. So that way, if you navigate to this page again, I'll just reload the page. The map will be there. So that is how to add Google Maps to your WordPress site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.